Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present to you this 2011 Kia Carens, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the Carens. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of interesting features in exterior as well as interior. And so, here's the key, flip key. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. Lock and unlock, and trunk button, keychain, very wide opening doors, providing easy entry and exit. Two-tone interior, looks amazing. Very nice. 5-speed manual. Solid doors, and this portion is illuminated. And this particular has 66,225 kilometers in it. Very nice startup. Full spoke design wheel, multifunctional. Comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering rack and pinion. Very fluid. Manual tilt only. To adjust, use the lever right there. And right now it's on the headlight, high beam, front fog light, rear fog light, as well as headlights. Driver side window, automatic down only. And to roll up, hold. Right now let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this car. Rain guards, as you can see, back windows are fully tinted. And here's the antenna for the audio. Third brake light, rear defrosting glass, rear wiper. Gorgeous tail lights. Aftermarket LED license plate lights. Single exhaust. (15-inch) wheels, tires measuring 12.5/65, 4-wheel disc brakes, aftermarket wheels, mud flaps. Turn signal indicators on front fenders. Halogen projector headlamps. Aftermarket LED fog lights. Chrome accent grille. This car has inline 4 and 16 valve, dual overhead cam, 2-liter natural aspirated engine and produce 145 horsepower, maximum speed of 190 km/h. 0-60 time is 11 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 8.5 liter per 100 km. The car is front-wheel drive. 10. But now guys, take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part. 2-tone door panels, power mirrors, also heated, power window lock, central lock, rest of your power windows, fake aluminum trim, storage, bottle holder, fuel cap release, speakers right here, tire pressure, this car has 10 airbags, adjustable headrests and seat belts. Seats are quite comfortable. Manual adjustments, high recline and sliding down there. Fuse box located right here. Have the headlights. And of course turn off ESP, that the electronic stability program, front defrost, storage for the driver, foot upright brake to engage it. Press this pedal and to disengage, hold this lever. Very simple. That's the aftermarket setup for the outside temperature. Trip right here. Distance to empty. Trip A, trip B. Lapse time. Average speed. Average fuel economy. Instant fuel economy. Very nice. And right now, let's see what kind of noise this engine produces. Very nice engine. And here's your light indicator controls, intimate wipe controls right here, audio controls on the steering wheel. You can raise and lower the volume, select between different track or select between different station, different modes, and I believe this is for the optional cruise control right here. Build quality and all the materials are pretty good. You can find hard touch plastic, 2-tone, digital clock, your adjustment right here. Audio with 8 speakers, 4 tweeters, CD, MP3 compatible, turn it off and turn it on, eject, AM/FM, single disc CD, select between CD, auxiliary, seek, or select between different track, different settings right here, 6 customizable station, and of course your tuning volume. For the factory audio, sounds pretty good. You can adjust different settings right here, scroll, speed dependent volume control, AF, basically your volume, and news. Very simple system to use. Climate control settings, fan speed, different modes, phase, knee, etc. Front defrost, temperature, air conditioning, rear defrost, recycle, quite easy. Heated seats for the driver and of course for the passenger, one stage. 5-speed manual transmission. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. Storage for small items down there. Ladder, or you can use just the partlet. 2 cup holders. Leather wrap center console, 2-tier. As you can see, good size storage, partlet, and of course auxiliary, iPod, and USB integration down there. Very convenient. Manual dim rear view mirror. Sun visors, vanity mirror with illumination. Card holder. Sunglass container, it's also padded. Lights. What I like most in this car is build quality, of course, and good visibility. Very nicely equipped van. Those seats are quite nice, quite comfortable. Everything is pretty good put together here, nothing to complain about. Plus the extended warranty. Awesome, just awesome. And right now, check the back seats. And here's your fuel cap. Very wide opening doors. Same two-tone door panels. Child safety locks right here. Storage pocket. Bottle holder. Back seats easy default. Third row. Suitable only for children. Adjustable headrest. Quite easy to get in and out. And once again, I'm a sister myself, my legroom is not an issue, and my headroom is more than enough. Coat hook. Storage pockets right here. Rear vents. Sadly, there is no central armrest. Illumination. Aftermarket LED. Good looking interior, in my opinion. Very nice. And right now, let's check the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Cup holders, storage for small items, power outlet, cargo cover, and down here you can find your tools, jack, convenient handle, and you can find same panel adjustment for the passenger seat, except seat height. And once again, I must say, quite easy to get in and out. Glove compartment is not lockable. Average size, and here's your manuals. It's all Russian specification. Thick book. Hook. And also I forget to mention, back seats has ISOFIX system. Awesome minivan for its price. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2011 Kia Carens. Feel free to subscribe on the channel. Should you catch me next time, so that's where I came from. Thanks for watching and have a good one guys.